Hi, hello. I am from Aislyn Technology. Today we can see how to interface LCD display with Raspberry Pi. Here we are using I2C compatible LCD display which is 16x2, and we are using Raspberry Pi 3. To connect the LCD display to Raspberry Pi, we are using jumper wires. Raspberry Pi 3 consists of 40 pins. Here these are the two VCC pins. Here this is the SDA pin and SCL pin, and here is the ground pin. In I2C LCD we can see here SDA, SCL, VCC and ground. We need to connect these pins to the Raspberry Pi. First we need to connect to the LCD. Ground of the LCD is connected to the ground of the Raspberry Pi. VCC of the LCD connected to the 5 volts of the Raspberry Pi, and SDA is connected to the SDA pin of the Raspberry Pi, and SCL is connected to the SCL of the Raspberry Pi. Like this we need to connect LCD and Raspberry Pi. After that we need to upload the code. To upload the code in Raspberry Pi and to power off the Raspberry Pi, we need to connect the USB cable to the Raspberry Pi here. And now we can see how to dump the code on Raspberry Pi. For LCD, import drivers means these are the libraries for LCD display. Here all the predefined functions are declared, and we are importing the sleep also to give delay. In this line number 4, we are initializing the LCD. This is the while true loop. In this loop, these are the statements. These will execute continuously. Display LCD string LCD1 row means this function will display the LCD row string in first row of the LCD, and we are printing another string LCD row 2 in second row of the LCD. After that we are giving 2-second delay because we need to see the string. This sleep 2 means we are giving delay here to display the string continuously with 2-second delay. After that we are clearing the LCD display, and again we are giving 2-second delay. If you want to interrupt the continuous execution, you need to click the Ctrl+C. To run this code and to upload the code, you have to click here on run. Now we can see the LCD display is showing LCD row 1 and row 2. To stop the execution, you need to click on stop button. Now we can see LCD output. In code we are printing LCD row 1 and row 2. Now we can see it is coming and staying 2 seconds, and it will clearing LCD cleared. You can see here. Like this we can display on LCD using Raspberry Pi. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.